Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan and manage business cards using the ABBYY BCR app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the links, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the AB app, and when you open it the first time you will see these few messages. The first one is recognize and store digitally, instantly scan and manage business cards, available on any device, access your business cards from smartphone, tablet or computer. So yeah, they have a premium subscription which costs around $30 a month, and obviously you receive 14 days free trial when you sign up. You can also sign up to their email newsletter to get 50 useful tips on mobile productivity and easy document management. Help us to improve ABBYYs, okay, and you just have to tap on show and your app is already open. And when you want to scan a QR code, you just have to tap on take a photo, and then you have to allow your camera to take a picture, and then as you can see it opens up the camera and you can now scan a business card, or you can also scan a document if you have the document reader app. So yeah, when you scan your business card, it is going to be stored here at the main page, and then you can sort them, you can manage them on your phone, tablet or computer. So that's it for this video. If it was helpful for you, if it was, please consider subscribing and check out the links in the description. Bye bye.